So the topic we are discussing is how we can create an array creations. Array creations.html. So how to create an array? So to create an array creations. Basically, three ways or three techniques can be used for creating an array. So link relation is equal to style sheet styles.css. So division h2 JavaScript array creations. Array creations. How can you create an array? So to create an array, so let's have a script. Inside the script, so three ways of creating an array. Already one way of array creation we have seen. What is that? Creating an array as a literal. So creating an array as a literal. As a value, so let courses is equal to, so what are the courses we have? So we'll say core Java, or we'll say HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. So these are the values we are providing. JQuery, jQuery. So these are the four data stored inside courses. So console.log courses. We are displaying that. Console.log courses and console.log number of size of array is equal to, so dollar curly braces courses dot length. So we can retrieve and all. So we have seen how to retrieve. So creating an array as a literal, this is one technique. So let us run this. Open with the live server. F12 console array is created with the four value. That four values are nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3 are the indexes. 0, 1, 2, 3 are the indexes. This is one way of creating an array. The second way of creating an array by using new operator. So creating an array, the second approach is using new operator. So creating an array using new operator. So what is that? Let names is equal to new array. So array is a predefined class of JavaScript. So let names is equal to new array. So let's display console.log names. And also we want to display the size of this console.log size of array is equal to, so we want to store some participants in our codes. How many participants are there? So names dot length. Length is a property we are using. So this is another approach. What is the size of the array? So now array, no values are coming. No length is 0, no values, size of array is 0 initially. But I want to store some data into this. How can we store? Dynamically, you can store 0 is equal to, I'm writing my name, Sunil's string. Names of 1 is equal to Anil. Names of 2 is equal to Naveen. Names of 3 is equal to Sanjay. So these are all the values we stored. So console.log names 0, 1, 2, 3 and size of array is names.length. Now we see what is happening. All the values, we created an array. After creating an array, we assign the values so that the length becomes 4. So size of array is 4. Now one another name I'm going to store and let us find out the length. So another approach is, I'll write it once again. So listen very carefully. I will store names of 4. The next index is equal to Praveen. So now the size of the array will be 5 and the elements are Sunil, Anil, Naveen, Sanjay, Praveen. So size of array initially it is 4. Now size of array is 5. So initially Size of array is 4. Now size of array is 5. Now what happens if I provide an index something like 9? 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not given. We have given the index 9. So now what will be the length of this array? So length of the array will be 10, 1, 0. Why? Because 4, 5 indexes are in next digits only. So 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 9. But what about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? So that will be identified with the undefined value. So we display names, but you need to see the length of this array. So actually, how many data we stored? 4 plus 1, 5 only. But indexes are given as 9. So let us see what is the length. And from that, we will understand what is the size of the array. 10. What is coming after Sanjay? 5 empty slots. 5 empty slots, and next, this is coming. So when you are storing empty slots, but when you see it, when you display this array, that empty slots, it is not showing. When you see this, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is displayed, but actually what is the length? 10. So when you display, you will get it as undefined. So what I do is console.log names of 5. So we have not given any data in the index 5. So what is coming? Undefined. Same like not existing. So 5 empty slots. 5 empty locations are given. Then 10th location, in the 10th location, that is index 9, this Praveen is stored. So the size of the array will be 10. So this is another point you have to remember. So one is creating an array as a literal. Another is you can create an array by using the new operator, or it's same like only literal, nothing is given and you can give the value separately. Then the next one, creating an array using a constructor. So we don't need to define anything separately. So let marks is equal to new array of, in brackets we provide the values 98, 78, 96, 74, 63. This is how we create using a constructor array with the values. So previously we just created an object, array type object, array. Then after that we are assigning the value. Then here we are providing the values also directly. So we will say console.log marks, then console.log size of array. We have size of array is equal to dollar curly braces marks dot length. So what is coming? So the values are also coming. So this is the third way of creating an array. Array as a literal, 2, 4, 5. Array by using the new operator, new array, a predefined class of JavaScript, then new array of this value. An important point, if you are giving an index, that plus 1 will be the value. So names of 9 Praveen, all 5 location 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be fixed with the empty slots. So this is what the ways of creating an array. So when you see this example 3 ways, only a specific type of data is stored. So what type of data is stored? So courses, we stored only string. This also only string. This will be only numbers. But array can be created with a mixed content. So console.log mixed content array. So mixed content array. So any type of data. It's not of similar type. In Java and all, it is similar type, but in this case, array. So let mixed data is equal to, in square braces, we are storing an integer, we are storing a string, we are giving a Boolean value, we are storing curly braces, EMPNO 101, name Naveen. So what is that data? That is of type object. So inside this, we are able to store an array also. 10, 20, 30. So any type of data can be stored inside an array. So what is the length of this array? Mixed data, what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So console.log, size of array is equal to dollar curly braces mixed underscore data dot length. So what is the size? So size will be 5. Size of array is 5. You can give null also. Now we will just display that console.log mixed underscore data. So any type of data can be stored inside that. Array of 5. First one is number type. Second type is string type. Third one Boolean type. Fourth type of data is object type with EMPNO 101, name as Naveen. And fourth one is array with the size of 3. Array with the size of 3. Object, EMPNO as well as name. So mixed content we are able to provide in an array. Mixed type of data we can store. Now what type it is? So for that, for let property or index in, or we will get 4 of data. So for let data of mixed underscore data. So what data is available, and we want to display the type also. So console.log, we want to display data. What is the data? So first data is nothing but 81, 89. Second data is Sunil. Third one is true. Along with that, we want to display the type also. So type of dollar. We want to display the type also. So type of dollar data. What is the type of dollar data? So array is object type only. So array contains, see, 89. So type of, no, don't say dollar data. It's a type of data. So what is the type of data? 89 number type, Sunil string type, true Boolean type. Then the other data is object type. Then 10, 20, 30, that is also object. Array is of object type. Array is of object type. So these are the 3 ways you are able to create an array. One is as a literal, and another is by using new operator like new array, storing the values into that. Then array by using a constructor, new array of the values we are providing array as a constructor. And also we can have mixed array. So 100, test, true, object, array, null. Null is also object type, undefined. So we can have mixed data also. So this case we are discussing about the different ways of creating an array. The way of creating, mixed way of creating an array is what we have seen in our example. The way of creating an array. So let mixed array, that values are given, 100 test, name, null, all that values we have given. So creating an array as mixed value.